Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. I'm your teacher Faiza, and today we are going to learn a new phonic that is letter P. So let's learn the sound of letter P with action. Hold up your finger as it is a candle and pretend to puff it out, saying, let's sing a P song. Puff out the candles on the pink big cake. Puff out the candles on the pink big cake. Puff, puff, puff. So, let me tell you the story of letter P by Ridhma Rowell. The story name is Princess Pearl. Princess Pearl lives in a pink palace. She plays the piano and loves to eat pineapples. She draws pretty pictures with pens and pencils. Pia the peacock and Polly the parrot are her best friends. They play hide and seek with her. One day she paints her pillow with purple color. Please do not paint your pillow again, say her parents. I'm sorry, I will never do it again, says Princess Pearl. So let's recall the words. Princess Pearl, palace, piano, pineapple, pen, pencil, peacock, parrot, pillow. So now, dear children, let's learn how to trace letter P. Make a straight line down, then go back to the top and do a curved line around. You can do this practice on the sand tray first and then with the help of brush or paint. Now come to the activities. In the first activity, you have to take two balls and peas. You have to pop up the peas and put them into the ball. In the second activity, you have to make a parrot. You can do colors, paints or collage on it. You can select the colors of your own choice. So, dear children, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will see you again with a new sound. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. Goodbye.